Hi, my name is Michaela Harris, and I'm the owner and operator of Timberlake Marketing along with my husband, Christian Harris. We wanted to take a few minutes of your time, and we do appreciate that time, to show you some things that you could be doing to boost your online presence. Whether you go with our services or not, you're welcome to use the tools that I'm about to give you. Let's get started. So, if I was a potential customer and I was looking for HVAC services in Dallas, Georgia, I would come into Google and I would probably Google that right there. So first thing I'm going to see is either ads at the top or the bottom or both. Those ads are going to give you FaceTime with customers, and they're great. But when it comes down to seeing businesses, I'm going to be seeing these first three in what we call the map pack section. And I'm going to be seeing all of these on this first page of what we call the organic section. Most people never make it to that second page of Google. So it's important to be here on the front. When I'm looking for HVAC in Dallas, I'm not seeing Cochran Complete services. When I go to more businesses and I look here, I did search it and this is an ad. So you do have ads, which is great. But if I was to come down just to see maybe where your business would show up, I don't see it here until I get way down. Most customers are going to go with some of the first businesses they see that have pictures and reviews because they like to see those pictures and reviews in order to see what you've done in the past and to know if they were willing to work with you or not. So, though it's very important to be at the top, this ad is helping you a lot. Now, if we go back and say we look at your website, it's a very good website. There's clickable links, there's click-to-call phone numbers. We do have some content here with some good keywords. I do think there's a good bit of content, which is great. Got some customer reviews. Overall, the website looks good. So why isn't it at the top page? Well, if we go look on that first page of Google, who's your first competitor? Your top competitor is going to be Precision HVAC. We go and look at their website. Well, it looks good too. It's got a lot of content. It's got pictures. It's got the link or the message box to send for a free estimate, but it's a lot shorter. Well, what makes the difference here? Why are they on the first page of Google, but not you? The way we look at this is we pull yours and your competitors' websites up in what this tool we call Arif, so you can pay for it. It's a monthly subscription. We take a look here and compare how many backlinks do you have, how many organic keywords, how many people are clicking per month. And if you look, you have 50 people clicking per month. They have 1.2 thousand clicking every month. That's the benefit of being on that first page. Now, if you look, they have a lot of backlinks, a lot of referring domains, and a lot of keywords. So how do we rank above them? Well, you can click on these keywords or the backlinks, and you can look. Now, we see that, you can look. Any of these things are things that people are searching. So they actually show up in a lot of different things like frequently asked questions. Let's see. Any of these keywords are going to be things that people search that they're coming. That this is the website that's showing up on that first page, and then it'll tell you where they rank. So they rank number 1 for what does auxiliary heat mean, or number 2 for precision HVAC. Now, the things that you're going to look for, or that we would look for, would be how do we get people to see your website instead of theirs when they search for a lot of these terms? Well, the key is going to be going into your website and putting those keywords in. The other tool that you can use is what we call whitespark.ca, and this tool allows you to compare. So for Cochran Complete, we have 17 citations, and for your top competitor, Precision Heating and Air, there are 45. So if you were to go in and click that, Precision Heating and Air, there are 45 citations. It gives you all of these websites here. You can go into any of these and submit your business. Maybe you want to look for ones with a higher number. This is what's going to help you be more noticed by Google in that map section. Now, I know this is a lot to kind of take in, but any of these things that you do are going to help you get to this first page. It does take time. It will always take time. But when you get your page ranking, that's going to mean a lot more customers coming in wanting your services over these others. They need to see you in order to want to come to you. So I hope these last 5 minutes have been beneficial and educational for you. I hope that you walk away with something important, whether you choose to use our services or not. But please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions whatsoever. Thank you.